This is something that I like. Big, handsome. Oh yes. That useless walkway on the back. Oh yes. Everything is falling into place here. Now these battles tend to be a bit epic. A lot goes on. Sometimes you can go out there and just die. And other times, no. What is this green button for down here? Yes. Oh, capturing point. We've got A, B, and C. Oh, that's different. Oh, we're on shards. So this isn't a bad map, but I don't mind this. Oh, there's I think they're team killers for the pink. I don't really know. Oh, I'm in the middle. That's not that bad. That's my ship. Allied battleship. Allied cruiser. Oh, there's only one destroyer. I feel really sorry for him. That a poor bastard. Oh, damn. Okay, we're starting. Ooh, it's been raining. I like this feature. The rain sort of collects on the deck. Yes. Moist. Okay, right. So I have armor piercing selected. What is this? Quite a nice one. I think it's a new max. Right, let's head for B. We'll do this first. Right. Y is our plane. T is the first aid kit. R is repair. There we go. Right. Let's remember that. Sometimes to go for T and click on Y. That is not an enemy. That is all. Right. Oh, come on, turn your guns. Bring them down to bear on this thing. I can't really make it up. It's Congo. I don't know. Whoever it is, we're heading straight for it. Are we going to hit her though? That is the big question. We might. No, we didn't. Yes, we did. We hit one. Right, I think it's coming downwards. No, there's enough. What's no way? Who's doing that? Oh, so it's you. You would dare fire on the Wind King? I've won your battles and you've had hot dinners, sonny. Line up! Enemy battleship detected. Come on, baby, reload. Oh no.
Main turret critically damaged.
Come on! Come on! That could have gone a lot better. Okay, let's boost you on.
Torpedoes dead ahead.
He is! Brace! Prepare! Okay, right. This isn't going to plan. This is not going to plan. That little bastard. Right. Oh, come on. good and your children hate you. We don't have a choice to exit the port, because I am not sitting through another match when everybody else gets to have fun and WINDKING doesn't. That's not how it works. Game's a fucking rip-off. Alright. I was in another battle. How is it in another battle? I saw the bloody thing sink. You know what? We're just gonna let it go. Have plenty more toys to play with. I know I said that was gonna be the finale, but that was actually pretty shit. But don't worry. You know what? We'll just take out the Wyoming. We'll just do this. And this will be our finale. Wanted to end on something British, but oh well. Those arse-hats didn't let us. Yes. Ow. Just start. I really don't care. Just start. Just start. Okay. Now then.
Action stations.
We've got a slightly faster turret reverse rate, so you know what? This isn't all that bad. We've got an old German ship. Could have at least for these ships used the old Imperial German flag, because these things were scrapped by the time the Nazis came around, you know?
I owe you one.
I know they had one of their pre-dreadnoughts because they used to use it for target practice, but still. I know for a sure thing these things were scrapped. I know going down the middle is usually cause for suicide, but sometimes you get some good kills when you go down there. You just sort of go into the mouth of that little opening there, sort of turn yourself around, you can get a nice broadside or something. These things' guns do not turn well. Just make sure you face them in the direction you want to fire in before you get there, so they're all facing in that nice direction. Last thing you want to do is pressure the guns facing the opposite way, and then you are screwed, my friend. Right then. Oh, for God's sake. Why is this thing so slow?
Enemy force detected.
Something. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go faster, come on. We can get that up to 18 miles again. Come on, we can do it. Right, come on. Oh no, torpedoes. That's what got us last time. In all fairness, my guns were pretty shitty. Is he cresting? Yes, he is. Bless you, my son. Didn't even notice us. He must have ordered that.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
Right, if we can turn her around, we will get our rear guns and we might be able to face them on that. Your plan? Evidently not. You're not getting me with torpedoes, my boy. he go?
Problem solved,
Oh,
sir.
did someone deploy the bloody mist again? Wrong game, wrong franchise. Mist, you know the game where you look for stuff that the hand. No. Oh.
The ship is on fire.
I don't know what our chances are here. But oh no, someone's coming in with torpedoes, so... they get this upset. Oh, I know we've got critical damage. But for some reason, my repair crew does not want to repair the ship for another minute. No.
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
We're not gonna make it. We have made it.
Water line. We're flooding quickly.
We can do it. In conclusion, I hate this game. It is the worst game I've ever played. And I just say that because I'm pissed off of the game. But actually, it's a pretty good game. Just fucking annoying. Oh, what? It's still in battle? That was like, what, 5 minutes? By this point, it's at the bottom of the ocean. You could just tell me, the ship is sunk. You can't use it for X amount of minutes. Just not, don't lie and say it's in battle, because I'm pretty sure I saw it sink. Well, anyway. That was a fun experience. I hope you enjoyed playing along with WINDKING. Goodbye.